Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Food, a Basic Need. Food is necessary to live. All human beings need food, or all living beings need food in order to survive. Food gives us energy to work and it keeps us healthy and also protects us from many diseases. We eat different type of food like rice, wheat, fruits and vegetables, milk, edible oils, etc. Every food has different type of nutrients in it. So nutrients are those substances which nourish our body. Food has various nutrients. Let us discuss them one by one. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. They are very essential for our body. Moreover, roughage and water. We must also include them in our body to stay fit and healthy. So let us start with the carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Food like rice, potato, maize, wheat, they all are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates basically give us energy. The person who are more physically active need carbohydrates. We get carbohydrate in two forms, starch and sugar. So too much intake of carbohydrates also make us fat. So we should take carbohydrate in a right amount. Next is protein. The foods that we get from animals are rich in protein. It is not that we do not get protein from plant-based food. We get protein from beans, legumes and different pulses also. But the products we get from animals like meat, fish, milk, cheese are bodybuilding food. Proteinated food helps to build, maintain and repair our body tissues. Children of growing age must take more proteinated food as it helps them to build new cells and to repair old and worn out cells. The people who go to gym, they also drink proteinated shakes in order to increase their muscle mass. So protein is basically a body building food. Next is fats. Fats are energy giving nutrients. Fats are essential for our body, but if we'll take fat in more amount, then it can make us obese. Obese means to put on more weight than we according to our age. Fats provide us energy. It keeps our body warm and it is very much essential for healthy skin and hair. It also protects our internal organs. A layer of fat is deposited under skin which provides extra cushioning to our internal organs. Let us come to vitamins and minerals now. Vitamins and minerals are considered as protective food. They are the food which help our body to protect us from various diseases. Vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D and E. All vitamins are necessary for our body. Like vitamin A helps in vision, vitamin D is good for bones, vitamin E is also, like every vitamin has its own importance and its own function in our body. Similarly, minerals like calcium, iron, iodine, they also are very much required for us in order to stay healthy and to prevent various diseases. Let us discuss fiber or roughage now. Fiber is also called roughage. Though this fiber or roughage is not digested and it doesn't provide any nourishment to our body, but still it is very much important to have food that is rich in fiber or roughage. Fruits and vegetables, they are rich in fiber and which is important to help in digestion. When we eat food that is rich in fiber and roughage, it eases our digestion and also necessary for the smooth excretion and maintaining a proper body weight. So we should also include fiber and roughage in our body to stay healthy and fit.